Nick, it's been a lengthy search for justice in the murder of Chris Bagley. Trials have been ongoing on and off for nearly 5 years now, with one even heading to the Iowa Supreme Court. Today, a third suspect, Andrew Shaw, is arraigned with a first-degree murder charge connected to Bagley's death. But there was speculation that Shaw was involved in the murder from the beginning. Chris Bagley was reported missing in December 2018. A few months later, a body was found that was buried at a home in southwest Cedar Rapids, and it was identified as Bagley. Two men were charged in connection to the murder, Drew Wagner and Johnny Church, formerly known as Drew Blanick. Wagner testified in July 2021 that Andrew Shaw and Church had talked about killing Bagley in exchange for money. Wagner said that Bagley allegedly had stolen cash, drugs, and other items from Shaw. Wagner pled guilty to voluntary manslaughter and several other charges. He was sentenced to 47 years in prison in August of 2021. The trial for Church concluded in a guilty verdict in December 2021. Church was sentenced to 57 years. However, the Iowa Court of Appeals overturned his second-degree murder conviction due to the court giving a verdict urging instruction to the jury as they faced a lone holdout juror. The Iowa Supreme Court said earlier this year they would hear Bagley's case involving Church. That brings Chris Bagley's case to now. Andrew Shaw has been arraigned for 3 charges, including murder in the first degree. While early in the case he had been mentioned, he was sentenced in 2020 to over 7 years in federal prison for managing a marijuana trafficking operation. A court document says that Shaw allegedly conspired with Wagner and Church to carry out the murder of Bagley, and a payment for the murder was given. Bail is set for $2 million cash while Shaw applies for a court-appointed attorney. We spoke with the parents of Chris Bagley after Shaw's arraignment. They said Chris told them before he died that if something ever happened to him, it was probably Andrew Shaw. Shaw's preliminary hearing is set for October 27th. Live in studio, Kaylee Whitlatch, Iowa's News Now.